Ready, start. Friends, I owe a deep debt of gratitude for all the fine words said about me in the address. I feel sorry that your curiosity to hear me led you to a kind of bad manners. I want you all to stand up solidly for retaining English as union official language, but I also want you to cultivate good manners on a serious occasion like this. My predecessor gave you a masterly exposition of the subject. What I utter may carry some weight with those in authority, but what he has said will carry much more authority than anything I am likely to say. It is therefore appropriate that you should have mastered your patience for a few minutes more. The reception committee chairman referred to an ugly demonstration at the airport. I liked it very much, but I do not like the temptation to disorderly ways. They came in bus loads to tell me their opposite points of view. Do not I know this? I am aware of the sentimental opposition, and that is why I am shouting. Did I not tell my friends even yesterday before starting that I am going to face a demonstration here? It did happen, but if they are equally like us, why this strong opposition? It is to be opposed by argument. I know that those for whom Hindi is the mother tongue are vociferous of this because they feel that they can have some advantage. Why are we opposing? Because we do not like disadvantages to be imposed on us. Possibly, if the behavior of the other party is softer and more reasonable, we can even accept such domination. The propaganda that is going on proved to us that we ought not to subject the future generations to that kind of domination. We want young men to have equal distribution of justice of advantages as also disadvantages. Now, therefore, I have explained I do not like the demonstration. We want a little sense of justice and practical common sense. I know of a strong feeling that one of our languages should be on the throne and not English. In the past, people did not like that English should just be boosted by those old fools. We have learned English centuries ago, and it is a gross mistake if we throw away our precious heritage. Today, they said that they wanted to introduce Hindi for the sake of unity. it was a big cry. I want to tell all people that unity came in a very indirect and wonderful way. The British were ambitious and political minded.